Experiencing intermittent internet connectivity with Rogers? You're not alone. The primary culprits are often interference and line noise. Interference occurs when external electromagnetic signals disrupt your modem or cables. Common sources include microwave ovens, cordless phones, or even neighboring Wi Fi routers. Line noise, on the other hand, is electrical distortion on the cable line itself, often due to damaged coax cables, poor shielding, or signal degradation over distance from Rogers' equipment. Since Rogers uses DOCSIS technology, which transmits data over shared coaxial networks, these factors can significantly impact your internet stability, causing your connection to cut in and out. Packet loss rates can hover around 5 to 10% during peak hours in urban areas, making these issues frustratingly common. Let's troubleshoot and fix these issues. First, check your signal strength using a DOCSIS Analyzer app or your Rogers modem interface. Aim for downstream-upstream power levels between negative 15 and plus 15 dBm with a signal-to-noise ratio above 30 dB. Next, inspect your coaxial cables. Replace old or damaged cables with RG6 type to reduce noise. Isolate your modem from potential interference sources. Move it away from microwaves and cordless phones. Optimizing your Wi-Fi can also help. Switch to the 5 GHz band or consider a mesh system like Rogers Ignite Pods to avoid congestion. In some cases, grounding your modem and installing a surge protector can mitigate noise from nearby power lines, particularly in rural areas. Rogers also offers an Internet Health Check tool. Try that for automated diagnostics. By implementing these fixes, you can dramatically improve your Rogers internet stability and reduce those frustrating dropouts.